Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I am also fine. So viewers, in this video, I'm gonna show different amazing Mexico pebble decoration ideas. Different beautiful and unique pebble home decoration, pebble different tiles ideas, stone art, rocks art, and amazing beautiful home decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. You as know we can share different beautiful and amazing pebble decoration ideas. It is very amazing and unique, and I hope you like it. I can share different pebble art for frame, for kids, for family, and etc. So please do not forget my YouTube channel, and please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel. And you can visit my YouTube channel. You can see different beautiful pebble art frame, pebble art kids, pebble art family, different pebble art for couples, and etc. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.